Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Miss T here, and I am back with another V to the I to the D-E. Oh, that's right, I am back with another video, you guys. So you guys, I am sitting at my desk right now trying to get back in the swing of doing some work. You guys, I'm so tired because I just came in from the outside on my lunch break. I decided I would take on the task of cutting down my canna lilies, you guys, which is cleaning out my flower bed for the spring. Yeah, I know it's winter time right now, but they had all turned brown because it's been really cold here. And of course, you know, you have to go ahead and cut them down so when the springtime comes, you will have an opportunity to get some really beautiful flowers. You can't expect something to grow in the middle of a big mess like that. So I was like, okay, I'm going to take on this task today and go out there and do it. You guys, it is 45 degrees outside, which sounds cold, but y'all, it felt so hot to me because it was so much work out there to do. And of course, you guys, this flower bed really isn't that big, but the canna lilies were huge, which meant that I had to get down on the ground and really do a lot of cutting. So I get 30 minutes for my lunch break. My whole entire lunch break is gone, which is fine because I get off in another 2 hours, which means that I can eat lunch in another 2 hours. So I'll probably just do a little bit of snacking in between now and then. But yeah, anyway, you guys, my daughter and I are going to have to clean up this big mess in the yard. She's not going to want to do it because, honey, she certainly was not outside helping me clean up that flower bed when I was out there on my hands and knees trying to cut all of those bushes down, y'all. Here she come. She heard me talking. She's still in her winter clothes. Cassie, you want to say something to the people? You'll have to come over here in front of Mama's camera. Say hi. Yeah, so she's probably going to help me with that, you guys, so that she can make her a couple of dollars, you know, so she can earn just a little bit of cash. But yeah, so anyway, I'm going to end this video right here. I'm going to come back a little bit later and, well, I'm not going to end the video completely right here. I'm going to end this clip right here. I am going to finish up my work right now, and then my daughter and I are going to run out to Home Depot. We need to get some garden soil, and we need
to go to place to get some nails because we got.
Oh, she wants some nails, y'all. She wants to go get some nails. So we might. I'm not sure if we're gonna go pick up the nails or not, but we're definitely going to go and get garden soil. We also need some mulch because we have to fix the yard up, and depending on how the budget goes, we'll see whether or not we get some nails, because y'all know nails are not cheap, and y'all, she be wearing nails now. She be wanting the good nails. She be wanting the nails that mama wear, which means I got to go out there, y'all, and buy kids nails for an 11-year-old, which means that, yeah, she's probably gonna want some expensive nails anyway, like some $6, $7, $8 nails, which I'm gonna try to stray her away from those. I'm definitely gonna try to stray her away from those. But yeah, my nails are looking rough. My nails are looking rough. Hers are looking rough too, you guys. Yeah, we just can't keep it together.
Rough.
We just can't keep it together. But anyway, we'll be back just a little bit later, you guys, to show you our trip to Home Depot and maybe to where we're gonna go get these nails from.
I don't know. To the beauty supply store, or we gonna go to
maybe the beauty supply store. We're probably gonna go there and maybe to CVS, and I don't know. We'll just
somewhere.
See. We'll let you know. All right, you guys. Okay.
Bye.
Hi, you guys. We have made it to Home Depot. We're about to run in here now and get the stuff that we need for the garden. Garden soil. We need garden soil. How much is this? This is $8.47. That's planting mix. $4. Oh, we need more bags in it though. Potting mix.
This is our original garden soil. But it's hard.
Let's get about 3.
So guys, we got our soil. And what are we going for?
We are going now for some red mulch.
We're going for some red mulch,
which I wish I had bought earlier in the year because it's expensive.
So guys, you're about to get about like 2 or 3 because this is very expensive. helpful to me because not as okay. Yeah. That got me got sidetracked. But anyways, we got this and we gotta get the mulch because if we don't get the mulch then we, you know, can't do it.
Okay, y'all. So we have got the mulch and we have got some potting soil. And it is very heavy and she is having a time carrying it. Well, pushing it out of the store. So y'all, I'm gonna have to do a little helping here. Part of helping is trying to remember where I parked the car, y'all. I know some of y'all probably don't have that issue where you forget where you park the car all the time.
Here we go.
All right, you guys. So now we're heading in the beauty supply store. The nail store now, and we are picking out some nails. Yep, as you can see. And I am looking for, not sure exactly what I'm looking for to tell you the truth. Oh yeah, I was looking for the cheaper nails. So you guys, usually the nails like this, the ones that are just solid colors, they are like $4.99, which is a really good price. And then as we move over and you get to the nails that have more designs on them, they become a little bit more expensive. So like the gold fingernails are as much as $11.99.
These two are my favorite, y'all.
Some are like $8.99. And my daughter, she likes these right here, which are $4.99. And y'all, those are probably the ones I'm gonna get for her, since those are the ones that she has picked out. And
ombre colors.
I'm going to pick out, y'all, I've had this color before. It's a color I wear a lot. I've had that color before. That's why you don't get the kids ones.
I'm not a kid no more. They don't come with glue. They come with them little blue.
Yeah. So I don't necessarily be liking the pattern in these nails because, as y'all know, I do cut my nails myself and try to turn them into what I want them to be. So she gonna get shorter nails because she don't want me to have to cut them. So she put the ones that she just showed us back. And I'm looking, y'all.
I think I want me some something.
I think I'm only gonna get like one pair today because
I'm gonna go back with these because I could actually like cut it. Either if I want it longer, I'm gonna go with longer nails this time because I always go with shorter, and I mean like that's a waste of time. So yeah.
Okay. So yeah, she has picked the nails that she wants, and so yeah, I'm looking to see what I'm gonna get. I've had all of these colors before, but y'all, I like this color and it's only $4.99. Y'all, I like that color and it's only $4.99. And like I said, I've had this color before too. I like both of these colors, so yeah, these are the two I'm gonna get. All right, y'all, we are in CVS now, and we are looking to see what nails they have. They usually have some pretty good nails in here, but of course they're going to be much more expensive than over at the store that we just came from. Yeah, you can see
these are about the ones I got.
Yeah, those are.
But I should have came here to get because these are $8.99.
Yeah, these
were the ones I got. But yeah.
Y'all,
these were the ones I was
going to get. But you didn't get those. Those had glitter in those. The ones you got didn't have glitter in them.
I don't like the glitter kinds.
And
these are good nails right here because they were just French chips.
Yeah, the nails be $8.99 and up. And here, and they had the kiss nails. As you can see right here, they have the gel fantasy, and that's just a smooth color. Like I can't believe that the smooth color is going for $9.49 inside of CVS because it's much cheaper over there in my regular store, in my regular beauty supply. All right, so I think we're not going to get anything out of here because these are the only nails, and yeah, they're a little too expensive for our blood. You guys, we are in Subway getting our dinner because I'm too lazy to cook today. She don't want me in the video no more because she say it's embarrassing, y'all. I know it's embarrassing. Okay, you guys, I'm looking really, really tired. I just got back from Home Depot and from going to get those nails, y'all, and then we had to pick up some food, and I am worn out. But y'all, I still had to come outside and finish my work because it's supposed to rain tomorrow, and I was like, hey, if I don't get this stuff up out this yard and get everything put down before tomorrow, it's not gonna happen, and the HOA is gonna be on my behind. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna turn the camera around, show you guys what I did. So I know it's dark out here, but that's okay. Basically, I cleaned my flower bed out. This is where I have my canna lilies. I'll put a picture up here so that you guys can see what it normally looks like in the daytime and when they're all beautiful. But yeah, you guys, I have to clean the flower bed out in order for them to come back really nice in the springtime. So I had to go ahead out and chop the ones down from last year. A lot of them had rotted anyway, and of course they were just a sight to behold, y'all. The HOA hadn't said anything, my neighbors hadn't said anything, because they know that I'm usually good about coming out here and taking them down. So yeah, I went ahead on and I took them down, and now everything looks good. So I put the soil down first, and then I put the mulch on top. That should be enough to keep them winterized, because it's probably gonna snow here this weekend. That's what they're saying, or next week, whatever it is. But one day soon, the weather's gonna be really cool and it's supposed to snow. So yeah, you guys, thank you for watching this whole video with us. Don't forget to like and comment, you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, y'all. I am working so hard to get this YouTube channel up off the ground, y'all, and every little bit of support helps. So you guys, until next time.